Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going 4 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Just confirm before you leave,
Yep.
please.
Got it. So we're also doing earn by time. Current rate is, well, when I started it, there was peak pay, but I don't remember what time it ended. With the peak pay, it was gonna be $20 an hour. Now it's back to the regular $17 an hour. So we'll see what happens. Either way, this is a McDonald's. This one is going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Not gonna lie, that threw me off. I was not expecting to see 2 other McDonald's bags just chilling there. Okay, total for that was $6. I feel like the peak pay was still on for that, maybe? Because that felt like a really quick order, but I don't know. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Wendy's and Donut Nook. These are going 6 miles.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Tell me when you're ready.
I just had a DoorDash pickup for Keith. Thank you. Brother, your sprinkler's literally facing the wrong way. Oh my goodness.
Hi, we have a few minutes. Can I have you 12 to the line right there?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, so the car that got here 5 minutes after me in the drive-thru got their order first. Interesting.
We're not open yet.
Oh, thank God.
Drive-thru is.
Okay.
That's okay.
Oh,
You can let it go.
I didn't know.
Here you go. The coffee is really hot, okay?
Yep.
Careful. Just don't forget to confirm the order.
Yet another pleasant experience from Wendy's.
We have a winner.
Thank you.
A wiener, huh?
A winner, yeah.
Total for that was $14. Oh, this one is very high mileage. Got a Voodoo Donut. This one's going 8.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $13 and change. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going just under 3 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you. This guy was at Wendy's earlier. Looks like he's dropping off at the same place as I am. Total for that one was $6. And we got the next order pretty much right away. This is Starbucks going 5.5 miles. Only one drink. That's pretty cringe, but whatever. Yep, super cringe, no tip. Total for that was $6 and change. And we got the next order right away. This one is for a place called Drip. I want to say I've been there one time in the past, but this one is going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $6 and change. This is Starbucks going 2.5 miles.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You too. Total for that order was, ooh, really good order actually. $7 and change. Next up, we've got a Carl's Jr. This one is going just under 6 miles. Total for that order was $7 and change. This one is high mileage. We got a Dom Pedro. This one's going 8 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. How you doing?
Not too bad. There you are.
Thanks, man.
Have a good day. Total for that order was, $12 and change. Okay. This one's Burger King going 3 miles. Total for that order was $7. Got another high mileage order. This one is Voodoo Donut going 8 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Oh, very nice. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $10. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going just under 2 miles. Thank you. Thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $4. And we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Oh my goodness. That was a good order. This one I'm gonna give a shot, but if it's too busy, we're just gonna leave it and go home because it is prime time breakfast on a Sunday morning. Black Bear Diner. This is $11 going 6 miles.
Come over here, Leroy. Come over behind them.
I'm gonna take a picture for you guys.
That would be great, actually. Thank
Yeah,
you.
save us some time. We
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Here, Craigie, come here.
Come on, get up in here. Get up in here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Eat him, please. Eat him. Thank you. Look at Ray.
Settle up with you or something.
Is that for Michael by any chance?
Michael, yes, Michael.
Thank you. There you are.
Thank you, sir.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Let's go home. Current time is 10:19. Current total, or I guess total, is 131. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.